If you want to use the Pro mode in camera on Samsung Galaxy A17, then let me quickly show you how to use it. So we're gonna open the camera app, go to more over here at the bottom in order to find the Pro mode. Now in the Pro mode we have several different parameters that we can use in order to adjust our photo. And let me quickly talk a little bit about them and what they do. So first we have ISO, which allows you to control how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but too high ISO can add grain or noise to the photo. We can move left and right in order to adjust the ISO, and over here if you tap on manual you will switch to automatic. There is speed or shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for example for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Here we can also move left and right to adjust it, and then we tap on manual in order to switch it back to automatic. EV is exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. It is a quick way to make your photo look lighter or darker. And this is the only option that is not automatic. Then we have focus, which can be set to auto and manual. And of course, focus allows you to choose what should be sharp in your photo. So we can move left and right in order to adjust which part should be sharper, whether something that is close to the lens or something that is further away should be also visible. Now, besides that, there is of course the WB, which is by white balance. It adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. We can move left in order to apply cooler colors, and to the right in order to apply warmer, more orange colors. And besides that, each of these options also have this eye icon on the left side that allows you to read more about this feature. So if you forget about something, you can just quickly tap over here in order to find out what each of these parameters do. Besides that, we also have over here we have the matrix metering, we have spot metering, as well as center weighted metering. We have the camera flashlight. We can tap on these 4 dots over here in order to also find adjustment of contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and tint. And you can move left and right in order to adjust that. So be sure to check that out as well. And there is also the camera timer, of course, and aspect ratio. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.